As crypto markets brace for SEC decision, here's why Bitcoin ETF Token BTCETF could be the ultimate beta play. Last updated January 9, 2024, 23:18 EST. 3 Min Re-disclosure. Crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. By using this website, you agree to our terms and conditions. We may utilize affiliate links within our content and receive commission. Fetch priority equals high decoding equals async class equals align on size full WP image 149,755. SRC equals https://cryptonew. s.com/wp content/upload/2024/1/1,704,903,326 name 2024 110,161,508.70 png alt equals spot Bitcoin ETF SEC decision with equals 1,366 height equals 759 SRC set equals https://cryptonews com/wp content/upload/2024/1/1,704,903,326 name 2024 110,161,508.70 png 1,366 wa https://cryptonews com/wp content/upload/2024/1/1,704,903,326 name 2024 110,161,508.70 300 png 300 wa https://cryptonews com/wp content/upload/2024/1/1,704,903,326 name 2024 110,161,508.70 1024 x 569 png 1924 wa https://cryptonew s.com/wp content/upload/2024/1/1,704,903,326 name 2024 110,161,508.70 768 427 png 768 wa https://cryptonews com/wp content/upload/2024/1/1,704,903,326 name 2024 110,161,508.70 150 x 83 png 150 sizes equals max width 1,366 x 100 wa 1,366 x Wednesday, January 10, 2024. Crypto markets are alive with anticipation for the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's long-awaited decision on spot Bitcoin ETFs, and eagle-eyed traders are targeting Bitcoin ETF Token BTCETF as the perfect beta play. Here's why. After months of deliberation and discussion between the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) and 13 applicant companies, the January 10 deadline for the SEC's response to ARC-21 shares appeal has arrived. With a flurry of S1 filing submission amendments and quickfire response to last-minute questions by the SEC earlier this week, commentators are now anticipating a potential batch approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs later today. Could the SEC approve spot Bitcoin ETFs on January 10? In a bullish sign that hints at imminent approval, this comes as top applicant firms like BlackRock and VanEck enter a race to the bottom fee war, with VanEck's lowest offer of a 0.25% fixed fee for a Bitcoin ETF now leading the pack. Bloomberg's senior ETF analyst Eric Balchunas has now shifted the probability of approval to 95%. Bitcoin's price has jumped considerably following the rumor of an imminent $12 bazooka on the horizon from BlackRock aimed at kickstarting their new ETF, with the BTC price pushing up toward $47,500 in recent days for the first time since April 2022. Yet, with Bitcoin offering limited growth opportunities at a whopping $894,410,037,086 market cap, traders are now scrambling ahead of the decision to find the best Bitcoin ETF approval beta plays. Bitcoin ETF Token BTCETF is the ultimate Bitcoin beta play. Here's why. With traders seeking out high-growth potential projects for the best returns following the SEC's decision, small-cap cryptocurrencies have emerged as favored products. To illustrate why this is the case, for an investor to make a 3x return on Bitcoin in 2024, the total Bitcoin market cap needs to grow from a current $800 bin to an eye-watering $2.5 bin. Whereas for an investor to make a 3x return on a small cap such as Bitcoin ETF Token BTCETF, the market cap simply needs to grow from $12 fully diluted to a more attainable $36. This enhanced moonshot opportunity offers smart money investors the opportunity to make the largest return in the wake of a potential spot Bitcoin ETF approval, and with the BTCETF token designed and built with skyrocket potential in mind, this promising token aims to bank big on market excitement. Beyond taking aim at the biggest narrative in crypto and offering fast-paced Bitcoin ETF news alerts via RSS, BTCETF rewards holders by reducing transaction costs as each Bitcoin spot ETF milestone is met. But the real heart of Bitcoin ETF tokens potential lies in a carefully curated burn mechanism that is due to kick in if the SEC approves spot Bitcoin ETFs later today, igniting the first burn. This should be quickly followed by the next burn once the first Bitcoin spot ETF launch is theorized for just days after the SEC's potential approval. The milestones for the BTCETF burn mechanism, which can occur in any order, are as follows. Milestone 1. BTCETF daily trading volume hits $1. Burn tax on transactions is reduced by 1% and 5% of total supply is burned. Milestone 2. First Bitcoin ETF is approved by SEC. Burn tax on transactions is reduced by another 1% and a further 5% of total supply is burned. Milestone 3. First Bitcoin ETF launch date. Burn tax on transactions is reduced by another 1% and a further 5% of total supply is burned. Milestone 4. Bitcoin ETF assets under management AUM hits $1 billion. Burn tax on transactions is reduced by another 1% and a further 5% of total supply is burned. Milestone 5. Bitcoin price hits $100. Burn tax on transactions is reduced by another 1% and a further 5% of total supply is burned. This will create a gradual decrease in total supply, eventually leaving around 70% of BTCETF in circulation, with the supply side reduction inducing upside price growth. With so many factors at play from Bitcoin ETF tokens' perfectly positioned branding, innovative burn mechanism, small market cap, and current popularity as the top token when searching BTCETF on DEX tools, it emerges as the ultimate Bitcoin beta play. So don't miss out on lucrative gains. Stay connected with Bitcoin ETF token on X and Telegram for the latest updates. Buy Bitcoin ETF here. Disclaimer. Crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital. Enter your email for our free daily newsletter or quick 3-minute read about today's crypto news. Sign up. The site is protected by reCAPTCHA and the Google privacy policy in terms of service apply. IMG SRC equals https://simg co/p/ml300 JPEG alt equals image class equals img ID equals newsletter pop-up img.